everyone, I'm back with a haul video, and I actually popped into Hobbycraft. Now I normally find them quite expensive, so I normally get my papers from elsewhere, but they had a selection of papers that I actually thought were really good and quite competitive with other retailers that are out there at the minute. So I picked up 2 copies of this, which was called Once Upon a Time, and they are 30 sheets, 3x10 designs, 15 by 15 centimetres, and they're £1 each, which I think is really good, because obviously Poundland are doing this size pad, so to see Hobbycraft now launching their own, it's actually really good. So I picked up 2 of those. And I also picked up a Unique Stories as well. So exactly the same, 30 sheets, 3 lots of the 10 designs, and they are on 100 GSM. But I just thought they were really quite pretty papers. It's going to be a lot of me flicking through pads, so I hope I don't flick too quick. Was that one. So yeah, so they're really good at £1. And then the next one up, so it gives you so that's 15 centimetres by 15 centimetres. This then jumps up to 15 by 30, and they're £2. So obviously, yep, you get double. And this is the Vintage Rose, and some are quite basic, some are really quite out there. So I didn't think it was too bad. Paying £2 or £3 for a pad I think is okay. When it jumps up to like £10 a pad of paper, and I work in a printer's, so I kind of know how much it costs to print, so I kind of am a bit savvy when it comes to buying things. As I know the markup that they actually put on them. Vintage Romance again, 15 by 30 centimetres, 24 sheets, 2 lots of the 12 designs on 200 GSM, so slightly thicker paper. And yeah, they really do mark it up. I love the cherubs. Cherubs are fantastic. A honeycomb, butterflies. It's almost like someone stamped and it's washed out slightly. And a flower one at the front. So yep, so that's Vintage Romance, that's a really pretty one. And I've got Vintage Moments, which is the blue. So as I say, I really did go shopping. Again, this is 200 GSM, 24 sheets, 2 lots of 12 designs, and it's 15 by 30 centimetres, and again £2 a pack. So I thought this was really good. It's got square teaching paper, script paper, butterflies, blue lines, and it's quite nice because it's all rugged at the bottom, and flowers. So yes, I thought these were really cool. And a Vintage Garden, same again, 15 by 30, 24 sheets, 2 by 12 designs, and 200 GSM. So I really thought these were really good price. I thought I'd share this with you. As I say, normally I go in there and they're like 8, 12, £10 a pad. I can't really do that. I sit here and I look down, I go, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, so I've got 4 pads for £8. And then just 2 of my little ones, and that's £10, so that's like 6 pads. So I know you don't have the 12 by 12 sheets for that, but there is a lot of paper for the money. And then 12 by 12. Now these are what I normally see £10 plus. They're £4. So you get 30 sheets at 230 grams, acid free, 2 times 15 designs. You get 15 designs. They're single sided, and this one's called Botanical Vintage, and it's foiled. So you have 1 page foil and then 1 page that's not. So the cactuses are foiled, and then you have one that isn't, and then the little roses are foiled. So it's really, really beautiful pad, and for £4 I thought it was really, really good. I do like the double-sided, but then I'm always picking and choosing which side to use. So sometimes if you just want to place it onto a card or something, it's really nice to have the single-sided card and papers. And roses. Always skips a page when you're near the end. So you've got the foil and then the plain. So that's the Botanical Vintage, and that was £4 in Hobbycraft. I thought that was a really, really good bargain. I also picked up, excuse me, Flowering Blues. Again, £4, 30 sheets, 2 times 15 designs, 230 gram acid free, and one is foiled and then the next one isn't. And this reminds me of, you know, when you like tiled flooring and all the Moroccan style flooring. It's decided to skip some pages. But yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful papers. Really, really out there with the colours. And I like the fact that they're doing like a blue pad, a green pad, and then I bought the pink. So that is Flowering Blues, and it's the foil and non-foil as well. £4, Hobbycraft. And then I bought Mysterious Pastels. Exactly the same again, 30 sheets of paper, 2 times 15 designs, 230 grams, and it's acid free. One's foiled and then one isn't. And it's in the pink, so you've got the rose design, flowers and patterns, dragonflies, little bird, little robin birds. It's for the really, really creative, fluffy clouds, everything. It's just really girly, really cute little, well, it's not a little pad, but really cute pad. Butterflies on this one. I'm really chesty this morning. And like that. So, Mysterious Pastels. That was really good. And then they also had these pads as well. And these, I just picked up a normal one, 24 sheets, 2 times 24 designed, but this is double printed, 250 gram paper, so even thicker stock, and it's Delicate Vintage, and this was £4. And it is double sided, but I loved this page. And I love these as well, just absolutely stunning. It's like you walked into an old hotel. Look at that. and they've got all their different wallpapers. And that's another thing, those of you that are finding paper, have you ever thought, and I only twigged this the other day, B&Qs for their wallpaper? So you get all the little sample pieces. I only twigged it the other day, so that's another avenue that we might be able to look at. But yeah, delicate vintage. And so I did pick up a few pads, and they are going to be stashed away. No, they're not. They're going to be used. That's what I'm telling myself. This is a giant push for me to keep papercraft in, and I am looking at more and more papercraft projects, different ways of layering up cards. I do not own a die cut machine yet. I have now got a crease board. So it's a board with the score lines and the funky tool that allows you to make a sharp crease line. I now have one of those. So I'm getting there, and I'm hoping to do a lot more with the paper and the papercraft, and explore different avenues and build some boxes and things. So yes, I've now got some more beautiful papers to accomplish these projects, and I can't wait to show you them when I get cracking. So please don't disregard Hobbycraft like I did for years and years. They are coming down and being more competitive with other retailers out there, so just give them a look. I don't know if they're online, these pads, but I literally just walked into my local branch and thought I'd share that with you guys. So have a wicked day, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.